Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a haul slash get ready with me using all the new products that I bought on my holiday in Dubai. So I figured I wanted to do a simple makeup look just using all the new products so I can show you what I got at the same time as creating a tutorial. So one of the things that I got in Dubai that I'm going to be using for this video is this set. So this is basically a beauty blender set, and you've got the original beauty blender, which is for the full face. Then there's the medium sized one, which is for cream and powder blush. And then you've got the mini one, which you can use for highlighting, concealing, and brightening under the eyes. To get started, I'm just going to be using the Huda Beauty concealer on my eyelids with the little mini beauty blender that I got in that set. The reason that I bought this beauty blender pack is because they had a 50% off sale on the Dubai Sephora website, and my sister was buying things at the time. So it was same day delivery, and it was like the weekday before I was about to leave Dubai, and we were like hoping the whole time that it was gonna arrive on the day. It didn't arrive on the Thursday. We kept calling up Sephora and chasing them up to see where the package was and if they could deliver it, and then we ended up getting the delivery on the Friday, which was really lucky. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my eyeshadow palette. So I got the Subculture palette. It's gonna stick with the warm tones, like the nude and the shimmery gold color as well. And I also bought the Riviera palette, which was my first eyeshadow purchase when I was in Dubai. And I got this basically a few days after it came out because I really wanted it, because it's got nice bright colors, and I wanted a few more colors that are a bit bolder. But with the Subculture palette, I actually got this 50% off, which is the order that I was waiting for with the beauty blenders. So to get started, I'm just gonna use the shade Fudge in the palette, and I'm just gonna kind of contour my eye with it. Just doing a very simple look. I've actually wanted to create a look for like my LinkedIn account, just because I feel like my photo on there at the moment is a bit too bold for makeup. Kind of heavy-handedly applied that, but I'm just going to blend that out with another brush. So I'm just blending it out with a clean brush. I'm going to go ahead and use the shade Adorn with the non-fluffy side of the brush, so like the tapered side. And I'm just gonna apply it in the middle of my eyelid. And just buff it out to the inner corner of my eye and the outer corner a bit. This is a really pretty gold. It's like a nice coppery gold. Matches my earrings. And then just with the fluffy side of the brush, I'm going to reapply that Fudge brown shade and kind of just blend it in on the outer corner of my eye. And just blend this one up a bit more. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade Dawn and just tidy up under my brow bone so the fade is a bit more softer. Set my eyelashes. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of mascara. So I got the Soap and Glory mascara, which was only 15 dirhams, which was super cheap. I got it basically because it was on sale, and I've always wanted to try Soap and Glory's products. And I also got the Smoulder Kohl eyeliner from Soap and Glory, which I'll use in this video too. So I'm just going to apply this in the waterline. It's a really good eyeliner. It's really creamy and draws in the waterline really easily as well. These are my favorite lashes that I got off AliExpress. They're super cheap and they're really like wearable. So I'll just go ahead and apply the other lash. So I've put my lashes on, and now I'm just going to do my base makeup. So I got two new primers on my holiday. I got the NYX Away We Glow primer, which is technically a strobing cream, but I use it as a primer anyways, so it just illuminates the whole face. And then I got the Cover FX Calming Primer, which I basically bought because it was on special in the Sephora outlet, and I love savings. So I'm just going to apply this primer with my beauty blender, and I basically just use like a whole pump of it. I mean, you can, well, use a pump and a half just to make it extra glowy. I quite like this primer because it's like really similar to the MAC Strobe cream, I find. It's got like a pink glow to it, and I'm pretty sure that NYX has a golden primer as well. Sorry, golden strobing cream as well. So I'm just gonna apply my new foundation, which is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. And this is in the shade Leches. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but so that's 320G. It was great because we don't actually have Sephora in New Zealand. Woo! But we're finally opening one soon. And I just really wanted to be able to try out the colors myself. I have tried my friend's foundation of this, which I filmed with earlier. It's just a little bit darker because I kind of wanted to get a foundation that's a bit darker for summer, and because a lot of my other foundations are quite light. A little bit goes a long way. But this is the foundation on, so it's really nice. I like how full coverage it is. So this is the finish of the foundation. It's really nice, and it's got like a light vanilla kind of scent to it as well. I'm just gonna use the Huda Beauty one as well, like underneath my eyes and on any like imperfections, just to help cover up a little bit more. So next I'm going to use a product that I got, which is the Mercier setting powder. This is a really popular setting powder and I wanted to try it for years now, so I figured why not buy it while I'm in Dubai. So I'm just going to apply this under my eyes with the little mini sponge. This is a really good sponge for packing on product. It's pretty good. Lightly tap a bit of powder on the rest of my face, not really bake it too much, just to kind of set the makeup. So I'm just gonna set my brows with like a clear brow gel, put the hairs in place, and then I'm going to apply the Milani brow pomade, which I actually really love. This one here, it's in the shade dark brown. Kind of just carved out my brows with it. Once I've just done my brows, I'm just gonna like brush into them with the clear brow gel again, make them look a little bit more natural. Anyways, it doesn't matter too much that like one's a bit thicker than the other, because I'm gonna tidy it up with the brow pencil. So it's like a pencil concealer. So it's good to just like go underneath the brows when you fill them in, just so they look tidier. And I'm just blending this one in with a little concealing brush. So I also got this cool like eyeliner stamp from Australis. It is from New Zealand. It's pretty cool because it's kind of like the vamp stamp or the quick flick. It's got like the normal eyeliner on one side like that, and then it's got it's like an angled stamp, so you can like create a flick just by stamping it on. So I'll just use that and then show you how easy it is to apply. It's perfect for people who don't really like know how to, or don't have time and patience to create like a flick. You just line your lid with this one and then you know you're done. Nice and easy. I feel like sometimes I make it too thick on one side and then it's just frustrating because I can never really have it thin. Next up, I'm just gonna do a nice light contour with the Bahama Mama bronzer. I was meant to be getting a blusher palette that was like on my list of things that I actually wanted, but I ended up buying every single thing other than a blusher palette. Brush off the powder on my nose and kind of lightly contour. I don't really contour my nose that well or that much, just because I kind of have a crooked nose and it just makes it like more accentuated. I'm just gonna contour my forehead a bit. Apply a bit of blusher to my cheekbone. This is Unfiltered 2, which I was actually given as a gift from my lovely friend Liana. Well, it was actually her mum's, but shout outs to Liana's mum. I'm just gonna mix a bit of these two colors together. These ones here. Apply it to my cheekbones. And now would be the perfect time to brush off my setting powder. So I'm just gonna brush it off with like an angled brush. So next, I'm going to use a highlighting palette that I bought, which was also on special in the Sephora outlet store. I was after a nice highlighter and it was on special. So this is the Cover FX palette. It's got like 6 pretty colors. They're not that dramatic. This one here is quite nice because it's like a opal iridescent color. Just stick with like this one here a bit with the highlighter and make it like pop a bit more. I'm just gonna set my face with the Urban Decay setting spray. I got this in duty free in Dubai airport. I'm gonna use this shade here with a little fan brush. Look how poppin' that is. Pretty blinding. And I think this only cost me like 38 New Zealand dollars for the palette. Who could say no to like a highlighting palette on special? Not me. So this is super blinding. So now I'm just gonna use a little angled brush and apply this shadow under my brow bone as well. So since I've applied that, I'm just gonna like blend that out a bit more as well. I actually forgot to highlight the inner corners of my eyes with the highlighter. So I'm just gonna use the same color again, keep it simple. Basically, lipsticks, lip glosses are the majority of the products that I bought while I was on holiday. So my new products are the Becca Liquid Crystal Lip Topper Glow Gloss. It's a mouthful. And it looks like this. It's like a pretty opal purpley gloss. So I'll put this one on and then I'll take it off and apply a different color as well. It's quite like a nice pretty sparkly gloss. Yeah, and I got this one on special at the Sephora outlet store. I also bought a Kiko Unlimited Double Touch lipstick, which is like a long-lasting lipstick. You get like this side, you apply the color, and then you get the clear gloss that you put over top and it kind of sets it in place. I was like really keen to see how it goes and like see if it's a good brand. I'd never heard of it before, but it's an Italian brand and I got it in Dubai Mall at the Kiko store. And the other lipstick that I got, which I basically bought like on the last day I was in Dubai, is the Fenty Beauty lipstick. And this is in the shade Freckle Fiesta, which is like a really pretty orangey brown color. I heard the formula of these lipsticks are really good, and I've got like a little mini pink one, which I don't really wear much, but it looks like this. And it's nice and matte, and it's just like such a pretty wearable color. And I'll show you what the Kiko gloss looks like next to it actually. So that was this one here. So I got the new Power Bullet lipsticks from Huda Beauty as well. So I got this one here and it's in the shade Interview. So it's like a really pretty matte mauvey pink. I'll swatch it on my hand as well. So the other new product that I got was the Pillow Plump gloss. And this one looks like this on my hand. Peachy gloss, and it gives you like a fuller lip by kind of tingling / burning your lips. Yeah, so I'll show you this gloss that I'm currently wearing next to all the rest, and purpley bluey shimmer to it. Another thing that I got at duty free, which saved my life because I took a lip balm with me that had basically run out, which is stupid, is the Kiehl's Cranberry Lip Balm, and it's like super moisturizing and nice, and I'd highly recommend it if you've run out of lip balm and you want something like a bit nicer. I'm just gonna line my lips with a MAC lip liner, not a new lip liner or anything, in the shade Subculture. I'm just gonna go and like highlight my Cupid's bow. Voila, that is my finished look. Go ahead and like spray another layer of setting spray on top just to like lock in the makeup. And I also got this NYX setting spray when I bought the strobing cream. This one's like a matte one, which is great when I've got more like oily skin, or if I'm wanting something that's like travel size, which is kind of why I bought it. And I got the little makeup bag, which is like a giant lip. Like, I'm a sucker for free gifts, so I had to get it. So this is my finished look, and I hope you enjoyed watching my video and kind of seeing all the new products that I got while I was on holiday in Dubai. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did like it, please do give the video a like, and also I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and share this video with other people. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed like this get ready with me. I really appreciate all the support, and I'd love to know how you thought this video went.